Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to make electric lights like this. So please rub a like and enjoy watching. First, we create a new document of size 1000 by 1000 pixels, in which we will make electric lights. Now, we need to paint the background with the gradient from black to white, and do it like I show. Then, go into filters, render and click on different clouds. Do inversions to be better seen electric lightings. So, press Ctrl I. We need to remove unnecessary colors, because if we don't remove them, they may interfere in the future. So, press Ctrl U and remove all saturation. Now we need to adjust the levels that will be visible only electric lightings. So, press Ctrl L. Shift, then left slider to right, until about 235 to 240. Then right slider is better, don't move. Otherwise, it will be a lot white lightings. Press OK. And here we have electric lightings. Now, the electric lightings must be separated from the background. So, go to channels and press the RGB channels with Ctrl pressed. Then, create a new layer by pressing Ctrl Shift N. Now, we need to paint the selection, so press Shift F5. Select the color parameter and choose white, and then press OK. Then select it by pressing Ctrl D. That the previous layer doesn't interfere. We painted black by pressing Ctrl F5. We have the electric lightings, the picture in other documents. We need to cut these electric lightings with the lasso tool, and then place it in the correct place on the picture. To do this, we take the lasso tool, hold the left mouse button, select the desired area, and then drag it through the top to our picture. Then rotate it as we need. We need to take an eraser with 0% hardness, and then wipe the edges of the electric lightings to avoid sharp and not beautiful transition between them. Now we need to set up the layer style to make the electric lighting more beautiful and to choose the color of the glow. To do this, we click on the outer glow parameters, then select the linear dodge add, set the opacity to 15 to 75%, spread to 5% and the size to 75 pixels. Now create a group and drag our layer and effect to it. It is necessary so that each time you don't have to impose effect on a new layer. In short, it is for our comfort. Now I will show you the full process of how I made the electric lights around the Weapun and X1000 speed. Enjoy watching.
Can't you see it in my face? A demon living in disguise, but you can see the killer in my eyes. I've got a look you can't escape.
We need to select all the layers with press Shift, and then merge them all into one layer by pressing Ctrl E. Then move it out of there and moving the effect from folder to this layer. If you want a stronger effect, copy the layer by pressing Ctrl J and then set the parameters like me. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel and share this video with friends who need help in Photoshop. Good luck and see you in the next one.